$100 payment, $60, $100 payment, 60, 50. Here, $200 payment, $100 payment, here, 60, 50. Sold kid, $60, 60.
What up, everyone? It's Nate. Every day I'm hustling, and today I'm bringing you an auction preview. We're going to be on Anthony's channel today at 1 p.m. Eastern, and I got some amazing stuff that you would usually hope to find at garage sales, but I'm going to bring it to you at the luxury of your YouTube app. So this is going to be an auction, awesome auction, and I can't wait for you guys to be there. Please make sure to share this out, and if you're not subscribed to me, please click the subscribe button and click the bell. This way you get notifications for any auctions or our show. Me and Pittsburgh do e-com and beyond, the best morning show in the business. But micro machines lot with some vintage cars. Now these cars right here, they just look like some cheaper Chinese ones, but there is Hot Wheels from 1988. Well, that comes out real clear on my phone. From 1988. These other ones, you know, they're nothing special, but they're pretty cool. They're definitely vintage. There's ones like this where it's a Lamborghini Diablo, and I can't see what that says. I think it says, I can't tell what that maker is. Maybe you know it. But these are pretty cool. They are played with. There is a little bit of, you know, outside chippage of the paint and stuff like that. But for the most part, these are in great condition. But if you guys think this is cool, which is cool, you haven't seen nothing yet. Wait till the next two lots. They're going to blow your socks off. Here we go. You guys ready to see this lot? This is pretty freaking amazing. Amazing. It's pretty cool just to be in the presence of it, because I don't even think I played with these toys as a kid. But here they are. Get ready to have your socks blown off. Vintage G.I. Joes. Now, of course, the vehicles, ships and stuff like that, they don't have the plastic on. They were, you know, they're not complete. But there's 50 figures altogether, and only 2 of them, I believe, have like issues to their like actual like hands or whatever. Like this one has an issue right there. That's one of them, and there's one other one that had a little stub action. He must have been shot or lost his arm in the war. But yeah, these are in great condition. I'm sure there's accessories and stuff to these things, but they're not. We don't have those. These guys, you got the mask, because this one has a little stand. This has a little gun, and it's like a little like knife or something. It has that in the briefcase. There's dog tags. There's guns. There's a sword. And then you have these beautiful vehicles. Are you not impressed? I got something that maybe you'll like even more. Let's check those out. So here they are, guys. 31 WWF figures in all their glory. So I tried to go from the best guys in front. I know most of these guys. I used to watch wrestling back in the day. Oh yeah. This guy is the only one that has like major, I would consider major damage. on his hand right there. But for the most part, it's just very minor stuff. Like, I think one of the worst ones, like, you know, he's actually showing his booty meat on that. But for the most part, they're honestly pretty good, guys. Condition wise, they're pretty solid. I'm just happy to be able to bring you guys a lot like this, especially in a time like this when we're all super deprived of really good inventory because the garage sale season's not around. But yeah, this is all going to be at the auction. You guys are probably wondering why, like, hey, why is he putting these items out now? Why doesn't he just put them on eBay? Why doesn't he just sell them himself? These lots are not mine. They're actually my neighbor's, and the majority of the proceeds are going to go to her. Pandemic has hurt a lot of us, and maybe not in the resale community as much because we're able to conduct business as usual, and we're able to sell more items because a lot of the stores are shut down and so on and so forth. But you know, for them, you know, they might be they're struggling a little bit, and you know, they just want to get rid of some stuff. And I told them, hey, your boy right here, your neighbor, I can get rid of it for you. So I told them, I says, hey, we're doing an auction. Just bring over what you want me to check out. And she blew my socks off. And she said she had turtles and other stuff too. So the next auction in the first week of May might be freaking amazing. If we have some turtles, I might be bidding against myself. No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. But I'm just really excited to bring you guys fresh, awesome inventory. And anytime we have an auction, we try to bring stuff that has, you know, either some reseller value at the end of the day, or, you know, where you can get lots like this, bust them down, make some money, or you can get some stuff for a pretty decent price and sell it as is. That's why we only choose to do a couple auctions a month, like 1 or 2 a month, and try to bring you the best stuff, you know, so you guys know, hey, these guys are having an auction, boom, here it is. I got to be there. No matter what, I got to get there because they usually bring great stuff. So I hope this auction kind of gets you that mindset that this is what we're doing. And hey, we hope you enjoy it. Please share this out to all your friends, people that might be interested in this stuff, people that might be buyers, bidders, or just people that just want to, hey, just check it out because it is pretty cool, you got to admit. I didn't have a lot of these G.I. Joes. I wasn't a big G.I. Joe guy, but they're pretty cool. WWE stuff, WWF stuff is really cool. I was definitely a fan back in the day. So yeah, guys, we'll see you tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern on Pittsburgh's channel. Link is in the description. See you there, or be square. Peace.
All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I not? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I stop? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I watch? All this